Regarding the Ethernet port, let me briefly introduce the Ethernet port connection. First, connect our terminal with the Ethernet cable. Keep it in a connected state. Next, in the text field, select the Ethernet port. The IP address here is where you fill in the IP address of the server you want to connect to, then the port number. The port number will be the same as the server's. Set it to whatever number you like. You can set it to any value here. I've set it to 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can ignore this mini default setting. Check the box. For the font selection, choose a supported font. Click OK. Now, it is all set up. Let's try to simulate the connection. In this protocol, I choose TCP server. To use it as a TCP server, then its IP address is the computer's own address. The port number is the same as that of the client. The password is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here I select connect. Now we're waiting for the connection. On the client side, select start engraving and keep waiting for the server to send data. Then enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 below. And remember to add 2 semicolons as an end of service mark. Then just click send. Then you can see it has been received here. We have successfully connected to the client and received the client's command. Now let's try it again. Click start engraving. Here it becomes the data sent over just now. Click send. And see the actual effect. As you can see, when I click send, the content was engraved here.